Welcome to Dr. Jae Francis Immigration's YouTube channel. Hi, I'm attorney Jae Francis. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer based in Chicago, but serving all 50 states. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for immigrants and their families. What to do if you or loved one is detained by immigration officials. Trump became a U.S. president on January 20th, Monday. I'm recording this video on Wednesday. Based upon available resources and speculation, ICE were scheduled to commence mass deportation in Chicago yesterday, January 21st, Tuesday, but it didn't happen. We'll see whether this will happen today or anytime. As you know, the Trump's ICE targeting Chicago as the first ground place for mass deportation. You also know that it's not going to stop with Chicago. That's just the beginning. So knowing your rights and understanding the steps to take can make all the differences during such challenging times. Stay tuned for detailed guidance and practical resources. I previously recorded a video on what to do if ICE stopped you in public, visit you in your workplace, or when they visit your home. Today, I'm going to talk about what to do if you or a loved one is detained by immigration officers. Number one, how to check if your loved one is being detained. The first step when your loved one is detained by immigration officers is to act quickly and follow steps. Follow the following steps. Obtain their A number. Their alien registration number is a 9-digit number issued by immigration authorities. It always starts with the letter A and 9 consecutive numbers. It's vital for locating your loved one. You absolutely need this number. If they have previously filed any immigration application or have any petition for them, or have had any immigration interactions with ICE, USCIS, or immigration court, then you can find this number on their documents. When you find that number, then you can try to locate them in detention. Use ICE online detainee locator tool. Its website is locator.ice.gov. And then when you go there, search their A number and country of birth. So if your loved one is from, I'm just making up, from Vietnam, you can type up their A number in Vietnam. If you don't have their A number, because there's possibility they don't have A number or you don't know, then it's a little bit challenging to find where your loved one is located in terms of which detention facility they're located. Then you can try their biographical information to find their detention location. When you find where your loved one is located, which detention facility that your loved one is located, then you can contact a detention center directly to learn about their visitation policies. Some facilities will allow in-person visitations, while others only offer telephone or video Zoom meetings. Number 2, what happens when immigration detains you or a loved one? Once you or a loved one is detained, the next step, once you locate your detainee, your loved one, then you need to determine whether they're eligible for immigration court hearing or also immigration bond hearing. Here's what you need to know. I'm going to start with undocumented, who does not have a right to any immigration hearing. Individuals with outstanding removal orders may be deported without a hearing unless they successfully reopen their case. It means that they go back to the immigration court. They order final removal with a good justifications, strong motion, and ask the court to reopen and then try to submit and present a relief. But if not, then those of you who didn't leave the United States, when the court issue a final removal order, you will be deported right away. Also, for those of you who have a prior deportation orders or aggravated felony convictions, we're talking criminal records, can also deported unless they pass a reasonable fear interview. Also, non-citizens apprehended near the border, near the U.S. border, right, are subject to expedited removal. But they may request a credible fear interview if they fear that returning to their home country will put their lives in jeopardy. So, who does have a right to a hearing? Most others, including undocumented individuals, generally have the right to appear before immigration judge to contest their removal. It's called removal hearing. The removal proceeding process typically begins with the issuance of a notice to appear. It's called NTA. Number 3, what is immigration notice to appear? NTA. NTA, a notice to appear, is a legal document issued by Department of Homeland Security to start removal proceedings. People call it deportation proceeding, but actual name is removal proceeding, but it's the same. This document includes your personal details, the charges against you, and details of your immigration court hearing. Here's what to do if you or loved one receive an NTA. You need to verify the details first. Confirm the hearing date and time using immigration court portal website or call 1-800-898-7180. I'm going to repeat number again. 1-800-898-7180. You need to type up a number to look up most up-to-date court time date for you or a loved one. But keep in mind that dates on NTA are often incorrect, will be updated by the court. So do not assume that that's actual court dates. It may be different. But also, do not assume that you can skip that meeting. So you and your attorney has a burden. Keep track of actual court date. You also need legal help. Hire experienced immigration attorney to guide you through the process. Although I don't speak Spanish, I have a team members who speak Spanish and they're going to work with me. If your loved one or if you happen to speak mostly Spanish. When you retain an attorney, you need to prepare for your hearings. There will be multiple hearings with the court. You need to gather all relevant documents and evidence to support your case. It's essential to attend your hearing, all your hearings, in fact, even if you don't have attorney yet, to avoid the serious consequences like removal orders issued in your absence. So if you don't attend hearing, the judge will issue removal order in absence. Receiving an NTA, however, does not mean automatic deportation. You have a due process protection, even though you're not U.S. citizen. You have a right to defend yourself in court. Additionally, these are options. There are options, multiple options, during removal proceedings. That could lead to work permit or even permanent residency. Stay tuned for more videos covering these options. But at the end, you're going to go through all immigration hearings while being detained. So I'm going to talk about a possible way to get released from detention via bond hearing. Number 4, can you or loved one be released on bond during removal proceedings? For some detainees, bond provides an opportunity to be released during removal proceeding. However, eligibility for bond depends on factors, multiple factors, like criminal history, prior deportation orders, and flight risk. If Department of Homeland Security, DHS, sets a bond amount that is too high for you or loved one, or denies a bond altogether, you can request a bond redetermination hearing with the immigration judge. Immigration judge may consider several factors when deciding bond eligibility, including length of residence in the U.S., family and community ties, employment history, criminal and immigration law violation records, and manner of entry into the U.S. Keep in mind that individuals with a serious criminal records or prior deportation orders may not qualify for bond. So it's not for everyone. Number 5, quick recap and final thoughts. Thank you for watching this episode of Dr. Jae Francis Immigration YouTube channel. I hope that this video helps you and your family better understand how to navigate the complex immigration system. Sorry that I was dealing with the illness. As you know that, the time I'm recording this video in Chicago, we had a minus, temperature. So I got sick. So it's not like 100% me. So I, babble a little bit. I'm sorry, but I'm sick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might need this information. It can be you as well. If you need a personalized legal assistant, reach out to me and my firm, Francis Law Center. We're here to help you every step of the way. Peace be with you. Thank you for watching.